Oh, that was supposed to be a smooth entrance. What's going on, boys? Welcome back. I'm ZillyMilli, and this is the Strike Shadow SV2, a 72 volt, 25 amp hour, 50 mile an hour top speed mini E-Moto. And you guessed it, it's powered by none other than Throne Cycles. If you don't know the Throne Serpent, it's that cool bike that has like the lights on both sides of it, like an AMG or some shit does when you open the door, you know? Maybach music. They did a Cookies collab a few months ago, guys. And then they released this. So, Strike Cycles is powered by Throne. I'm so excited to unbox this bike. Dude, let me show you guys this. It's snowing outside today. It's snowing. We have a freaking winter wonderland out there. Not only do we have a winter wonderland, but we also have a brand new E-Moto. I'm hyped to get this thing out of the box. So, without further ado, let's rip this baby out the plastic because I'm feeling brand new. Check this baby out. We got fast ace suspension. This thing doesn't even look like a mini moto. Honestly, in the box, I mean, just wait till you guys see this rear shock. This thing's freaking huge. All right, let's roll the montage of building the bike. Alrighty boys, so I already came out and filmed the video on this bike once today, and then my mic totally screwed up and I had no audio, so we're back. And what I did this morning is, it's Thanksgiving today, so I figured since it's Thanksgiving, why don't we go out, find some camps, and give some stuff away for free, give out some gifts. So that's what we did. Now, I got really lucky in finding all the camps that I found earlier today, but we're back out here now, and the plan is basically the same. We're gonna go find some more camps, give out some more stuff, and hopefully make some people's day. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Yes, yes. Yes. I'm so close. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's go. I might have just found our first person to give some stuff to. Let's see. Is anybody home? I have Thanksgiving gifts if there's anybody here. Anybody home? If anybody's home, I got some Thanksgiving gifts for you. I don't think anybody's here, so what I'll do is, I don't want it to get lost. Maybe if I slide it under the doormat, just like so. If there's anybody in there sleeping, I left some money for you outside. Have a good Thanksgiving. That is quite the shelter that they built. That is awesome. I am gonna try to sneak past this way to get out of here. So when you get your Strike Shadow SV2, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is unplug these brake sensors. Otherwise, it's virtually impossible to throw wheelies like this. As soon as you pop those off, this thing becomes an absolute ripper. It is actually kind of crazy, the spots that they find to make their camps at. Like in the summertime, you cannot find these. You'd have no clue that these are here. Oh, there's another camp down there. Let's go down to that one too. We're gonna get some money out first. Before we go down to that camp, I'm gonna see if I can throw a one-hander real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, I can totally do better than that. YouTube, this is not a road. This is a closed course, so please don't throw me in YouTube jail. I don't have a flat tire, do I? Kind of feels like I do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shortcut. Woo. One thing I do want to point out to you guys is this front brake caliper is the exact same pattern as the E-Ride Pro SR 3.0 and Talaria MX-5 Pro. So I would imagine the brake pads are the same. They almost gotta be. We'll test that out in the next video, but super cool they use that same caliper. Let's go see if we can give away a gift. Hello, is anybody home? Anybody home? I have Thanksgiving gifts if there's anybody here. I think we've struck out twice now. There's nobody home. Must be the wrong time of day to be trying to give out gifts. I'm sure we'll find another one. That's a cool spot though. Imagine I come back and somebody just ran off on the strike. Why are you making that noise? Wow, that's quite the shelter they built. Being that we already found 2 of those camps here, I'm going to guess there's going to be more if we continue down this trail. So the Strike Shadow SV2 is running a bar driver controller. You can see right here on the front of it, which is pretty neat because if you throw a Bluetooth dongle, that means you could tune it right from your phone, which is awesome. The other cool thing is we have 3 different modes. We have 0, 1, 2, and 3. I first came out this morning to film the video. I threw it right in mode 3, tried to do a hill climb, and the bike totally flew out from under me. That was pretty sick, I won't lie. Also hurt a pretty good bit. Oh, oh, this is nasty stuff. Oh, this thing's actually a ripper too. 7,000 watts. I mean, that's like as much as a stock light bee. This thing's tiny, but like, it's not tiny like a HyperBee. Like a HyperBee is way too small. I'm 6'4", 170. I don't fit on the HyperBees at all. Let's see if we can do this little hill climb. We're in mode 2. Oh yeah, with ease. Woo! That was fun. I'm running that back. Jump down into it too. That was pretty good. Run it back, run it back. Woo! Oh my God, boys, that was so fun. As I was saying, this compared to a HyperBee, this thing is way bigger. Like, if you look top down at it, it's not skinny like a XXX is or a HyperBee. Like, it's thick up here so you can grab it with your legs. The seat is nice and wide. I mean, it's more than wide enough. It's a little bit taller. It's got a 17-inch front and a 14-inch in the rear. So HyperBees, I think mine is a 12 rear, 14 front. Definitely a big difference in size for sure. This is probably a terrible idea, but it looks like way too much fun to not give it a shot. Oh. If I would have stayed on the throttle, I think I would have been fine. Woohoo! Let's hit this one. Oh shit! That is so much fun. Yeah, this thing is an absolute wheelie machine too. The balance point is nice and wide. The throttle is smooth in mode 2. I can't say mode 3 is. It seems to me mode 3 is not quite as smooth as mode 2, but we'll confirm that later. I'm thinking this is a good spot to try the first stoppie. Let's see, let's give her a shot. Oh, that front brake is good. You know how I was just saying a minute ago, it looks like the same caliper. It's at least the same bolt hole pattern as the E-Ride Pro like SR and Talaria MX-5 Pro. Definitely a good caliper. That was that was way more grab than I was expecting to get. Hit a little speed test here. Mode 2, getting up to, oh wow, easily 65-ish kilometers, and there was still more. I just had to let off because of the ice. Yeah, so far, the little bit we've rode, brakes are more than good enough. The size is much better than the HyperBee, especially for somebody my height. Mini motos like this make exploring way more fun because they're so maneuverable and light. Like, if you were to ever get stuck, I just never fit on them, like, at all. Whoa, what is this big purple thing? Oh, it's just a tub with a book in it? Richard Reeves. What the heck? Interesting. Oh, there used to be a train bridge here, I think. Yeah. Hello, dearie. Don't mind me. I'm no harm to you. Oh, wow, that's a buck with one antler. I don't know if you guys can see that, but his right antler's totally missing. He only had a left one. What the heck? You don't see that often. Oh, my. Oh, I saved that so well. Dude, this thing is a beast. I thought I was in mode 2. Oh my God. That was a good save. That was a super good save. Hey! We have found ourselves some trails yet again. Looks like there's a bit of a mountain peak up there too. That's kind of neat. Wow, this is a cool open area. Hit a little snow wheelie. Try mode 3 maybe. Oh shit. Dude, those brakes are actually so good. Oh, it's a teepee up there. What the heck? Let's go look at that. Oh yeah, the teepee. My ADD brain just got distracted by the hill climb. Dude, the homeless people should be just living inside of this. What the heck? That's neat. Oh wow. Why does it look like somebody like built all of this shit? What the heck? Yeah, like they're all like twisted up, building teepees and stuff all over the place here. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is over there? Oh, I think I'm not on the trail. Maybe I am. I don't want to mess up anybody's creation here. Oh wow, there's so much trail. Why did I not know of this place? But more importantly, what the heck is that? Bro, how does one even build that? What? It looks like a freaking portal. What did I just find? Guys, if any of you guys know what this is, please enlighten me on what I've just stumbled upon. Hopefully it's not like some satanic portal shit and I'm manifesting bad things into my life by going through it, but what the heck? How many hours does it take to build some shit like this? Especially that part. Like, how do you build a circle out of trees? What the hell? This actually might make for a good thumbnail. Give me 1 minute here, boys, then we'll continue our adventure. Whoa. Quite the cliff. Yo, there's a trail down there? Oh yeah, this is gnarly, dude. Holy shit. I don't know if I even can attempt this, but... Oh yeah, I ain't making it too far. Oh shit. I don't know if I could even make it up this on like the 72 volt SurRon. I know in the summertime I can make it up this on the Stark, but it's so steep. Oh, I'm afraid of heights, boys. If y'all didn't know, heights scare the absolute shit out of me. Don't look down. Front tire slipped a little bit there, had a mini stroke. In the next video, I'm gonna get a Bluetooth dongle and throw it on this thing and we're gonna tune it. So all 3 modes are like freaking dialed for me. Oh yeah, hill climb, tons of momentum. Mode 3, hit it! My battery might be getting low. Oh shit, boys. I'm a long ways from home. It says I have 1 bar left on the battery. That is actually really not good. You remember how at the beginning of the video, I said today was Thanksgiving? My family Thanksgiving is in like 45 minutes and I have to make it back to my truck and drive like an hour to get there. Fingers crossed we can make it back. Guys, let's go ask this civilian if he knows. Hello. Hey, not trying to bug you, but do you know of any homeless that live around here? I'm just giving out gifts for Thanksgiving.
Oh, actually, we're homeless.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. It's okay, puppy. I won't hurt you. Here you go, my man.
All right, I appreciate it.
Hey, get y'all something good to eat for Thanksgiving, man.
All right. You have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too, brother.
All right.
Have a good one. That guy was a little agitated, it seemed, but he might just been having a rough day because it's Thanksgiving and he didn't have a warm crib to be at. So I hope that made a little difference for him on Thanksgiving. Guys, my battery is getting painfully low. My ADD brain kind of forgot that I needed to get back to the truck, so I was low. Oh, stoppy. Oh, that was pretty good. That was really good. I'm gonna run that back. Hold on. Oh yeah. Guys, we're not looking so good right now. We're blinking. We are so low that it's blinking anytime I'm on the throttle. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh, still making it up the hill climb. Still making it up the hill climb. Guys, I can't believe I'm in mode 3 with that little battery left. We just made it right up that hill climb. What the heck are the odds? We did in fact make it back to the rig with that little bit of battery left. If you boys enjoyed today's video, that was just a sneak peek of what we're gonna do exploring on this little Reich Shadow SV2. This thing is an absolute ripper and we didn't even have a full battery. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.